मनोज सर के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं प्लीज. मनोज सर. Rakul Preet, the very gorgeously talented Pooja Chopra, ladies and gentlemen. The producer of the movie, Mr. Sheetal Bhatia. Pen Studios से it's an honor. We have Mr. Jayanti Lal Gada हमारे साथ यहाँ पे. And from Reliance Entertainment, Mr. Sameer Chopra. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for this entire team जिन्होंने बहुत सारी मेहनत की है इस फिल्म को आप तक लाने के लिए. And इससे पहले कि I know आप लोग के बड़े सारे सवाल हैं उनके जवाब आपको मिले. रीज़न जिस वजह से आपने ये स्पेसिफिक स्टोरी जो है इसको चुना.
First of all, I'd like to thank you guys for turning up, and sorry for that little bit of delay that we had today. The subject is very close to me. जब हम लोग बेबी शूट कर रहे थे
जी,
उसी दौरान इसका जो जर्म है that started forming, and after MS we were itching to go on to this film.
right.
It's about two people belonging to two different generations और उनका जो point of view है वो कैसे clash करता है.
Right.
बाकी as you saw the trailer, it's
Right. We just loved it. Everybody, in fact, loved it. Cast से मैं सीधे यहाँ पे जानना चाहूँगा, and we'll start with Rakul. Your experience, you know, I know बड़े सारे सवाल हैं वहाँ से आएंगे. Your experience इस फिल्म को शूट करते वक्त का.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Experience was amazing.
Yeah.
I've said this before also, that I've always been a fan of Neeraj sir's School of Films,
Right.
and it was amazing to be working with him. And I'm a Fauji kid,
Yeah.
so for me to be part of a film that talks about army is something great. So yeah, it's been a wonderful journey, and I'm just looking forward to it now.
Sure. Thank you so much. Siddharth, for you, how was it?
Yes, hello, good afternoon everyone. Super excited. Yari, hamari picture with Neeraj sir and the whole team is here. Well, I'm not an army kid directly, but my dadu was in the army, so I keep saying that. And मेरे dad बहुत खुश है मेरे को इस uniform में देखकर. So hopefully once he sees the trailer, he'll be happy. He always wanted one of us, me and my elder brother, to join the army, but obviously we didn't. So I'm pretty happy to come with this story and be a part of Neeraj sir's story. And it's very relevant. I think it's very important, as Neeraj says, all his films have a great message in it. And I'm representing a small part in portraying the younger generation point of view. There we have the slightly older generation
Yes.
point of view. I would say the biggest
who
challenge.
refuses to acknowledge that he's any
नहीं,
older than Siddharth.
पिक्चर का सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज अगर आप पूछेंगे तो मनोज सर को थोड़ा सीनियर दिखाने का था. The biggest challenge कि इनके लुक टेस्ट कम से कम 15 लुक टेस्ट हुए सर. कितने लुक टेस्ट हुए?
And he put on weight for this film. You see, he put on weight about 10 kgs, which he lost immediately after filming.
So हमने बहुत मेहनत करी मनोज सर पे उनको मेरा सीनियर दिखाने के लिए, और जो आप रिजल्ट देख ही रहे हैं, to the prosthetics and the styling.
Manoj sir, your views. जवाब देना पड़ेगा. मैं तो कहूँगा जवाब दीजिए आप.
नहीं, बहुत मज़ा आया. और नीरज जी के साथ उनके डायरेक्शन में मेरी ये तीसरा काम है. आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि दूसरा काम कौन सा था. दूसरा आउच है जो शॉर्ट फिल्म के थे मैंने.
कह रहे एक बढ़ा दिया खुद.
दूसरा आउच स्पेशल 26 आउच, और इसके बाद ये काफ़ी एक्सटेंसिव शूटिंग थी. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि पूरी शूटिंग के दौरान में Neeraj ji was not feeling well, but still he kept the team together, kept the spirit really high all the time, and that that made the whole difficult task look so easy. You know, हमने फिल्म को एक के बाद एक सारे जो लोकेशन में अलग-अलग लोकेशन में जाके शूट किया है, और सारे लोकेशन के अपने challenges थे, apart from our director not feeling well. And जो हमने डबिंग करते हुए जो रिजल्ट देखा है, which is amazing. I'm so proud of this product, and this is definitely going to be one of my best film in my career.
Superb. Thank you, Manoj sir. Pooja, your experience.
Shukriya. I don't know. Honestly, I feel very, very speechless right now, because this movie really, really means a lot for me. It was always a dream, or actually more than that, to be working with this gentleman here. And I was extremely fortunate to work with him and Ouch, and again now. The stellar cast that we have in the film is, I think I consider myself extremely blessed to be a part of such a film, and I know this film will always be extremely, extremely special for me. Thank you, Neeraj sir. Thank you so much. Manoj sir, thank you so much again for the second time. Thank you, Sameer. Thank you, Sheetal sir. Sid, you've been an amazing co-star and a lot of fun to hang around with. Rakul, although we've not have scenes with, but I've seen your work and I really like it. And I hope that all of you also like the film. And thank you so much.
I'm sure all of us are going to love it, yeah, once we see it on the 26th
Fingers
January.
crossed. I'm really nervous. I think I'm...
जी कहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं? माइक सर का नहीं हो रहा ऑन।
हाय नीरज सर, सवाल ये है कि किस तरीके से आप इतने अलग अलग विधा के एक्टर्स को एक
बस स्क्रिप्ट भेज देता हूँ और उन पे छोड़ देता हूँ कि भाई उनको उनका किरदार पसंद आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है। फॉर्चुनेटली दे हैव ऑलवेज रिस्पॉन्डेड इन अ वेरी encouraging manner and entirely their decision that makes it look so big and relevant.
एंड मनोज सर, थोड़ा आप अपनी और सिद्धार्थ की केमिस्ट्री के बारे में भी बताएं, क्योंकि अक्सर आप ट्वीट करते हुए भी देखे गए थे कि रैप अप है लेकिन मिस कर रहे हैं वगैरह वगैरह।
देखिए, जिस तरह से हमने शूटिंग की थी वो न सिर्फ बहुत ज़्यादा काफ़ी फास्ट पेस्ड हम लोगों का पूरा शेड्यूल रहा था, काफ़ी पैक्ड था। और चूँकि जब पैक्ड होता है तो यू आर स्पेंडिंग डे इन डे आउट, चाहे वो डे की शूटिंग हो रही है, नाइट की शूटिंग हो रही है, लगातार हम लोग एक ही होटल में रहते हैं। एंड शी वॉज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड, आई वॉज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड। तो हम लोगों के बीच में जो रोज़ का मिलना जुलना, एक दूसरे से बातें करना, चाहे वो फिल्म को लेकर के हो चाहे फिल्म के बाहर की चीज़ों, हंसी मजाक, देन यू स्टार्ट मिसिंग दैट, सडनली दैट बिकम्स योर फैमिली। तो इतने दिन में जो एक पूरा जो एक ग्रुप बना है, होपफुली इट विल बी अलाइव इवन आफ्टर द रिलीज, बट till the film's release definitely is going to be, whenever the group will come together, हमेशा एक हंसी मजाक का माहौल रहता है। हमने जबकि इतनी सीरियस फिल्म बनाई है, हमने ड्रामा है, थ्रिलर है, लेकिन उसके अलावा जो ऑफ द सेट होता था वो बहुत ही कमाल का एटमॉस्फेयर था, कमाल का माहौल था। वो मैं बहुत मिस करता हूँ हमेशा, जब भी आप कोई और काम कर रहे होते हैं। तो इतना आसान होता नहीं है, इतने क्लोज निट काम करने के बाद, इतना इंटेंस काम करने के बाद, और ख़ास करके उस फिल्म पे, जिस फिल्म पे सभी फ़ख्र करते हों, उस फिल्म से अलग हो पाना बड़ा मुश्किल काम होता है।
सिद्धार्थ, नीरज सर वहाँ पे मौजूद हैं और नसीर साहब, अनुपम साहब, मनोज सर, इस बीच में कोई प्रेशर भी था आपके भीतर? और बहरूपिया बनना, अलग अलग रूपों को धारण करना कैसा राज रहा, ये भी बताइए।
पहली बात तो वो सब नीरज सर का काम है। अगर हमारे पास ऐसे डायरेक्टर है जिन्होंने कहानी खुद लिखी है, तो आपको अपना हिस्सा पता है, अपना पार्ट पता है, तो आई थिंक वो वही ठीक तरह निभा लें तो सबसे बड़ी बात है। बट इट्स ग्रेट, आई थिंक इतने सारे एक्टर्स जो हु वर्क फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स, सो मेनी फिल्म्स, जब एक पिक्चर में होते हैं तो पूरी पिक्चर का एक लेवल ऊपर बढ़ता है। तो इट्स लाइक प्लेइंग विद अ टीम which has so many great movies to their credit. It always helps, so I'm happy to be part of this team. And अभी देखते हैं, I think as I said, मनोज सर के साथ भी जो रिश्ता हमारा धीरे धीरे बढ़ता गया मेंटोर प्रोटेजे का, बिकॉज जेन्युइनली सर के साथ काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला बतौर एक्टिंग के बारे में। आई लव द वे ही प्रेप्स। सर बहुत ही साइलेंट प्रेप करते हैं और जैसी टेक आता है तो एंड ही इज़ ऑन द मार्क इन परफॉर्मेंस। बस सर से एक ही शिकायत है कि सर खाने पीने में ऑर्डर 50 चीज़ें करते हैं और खाते उनमें से आधी हैं, फिर लोग समझते हैं कि मैं ज़्यादा खाता हूँ, तो इनके साथ खाना बहुत डेंजरस है। तो आप पहले डिसाइड कर लीजिए इनको चका के क्या पसंद है इनको। तो ये जैसे देख रहे हैं कि फिट रहते हैं, इनकी कमर कितने से 28 की है अभी, कितने कमर है आपकी? उम्र से कुछ ज़्यादा ही है, बस हल्की सी कमर इनकी। हाँ।
आज जो है अयारी से ज़्यादा मेरी उम्र में बात हो रही है। ये कमाल है।
जैसे कि हमारी पुरानी फिल्में हैं, एक थोड़ा बहुत रिसर्च जाता है, विच वी फील दैट इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी और ज़रूरी भी है अगर आप इस तरह की सब्जेक्ट पे काम करते हैं। तो वैसा ही था प्रोसेस, ऐसा कुछ इसके लिए बहुत अलग नहीं करना पड़ा। उल्टा ये आसान रहा, क्योंकि जैसा मैंने पहले बताया आपको कि बेबी के दौरान ही इसका एक तरह से काम शुरू हो गया था। तो even in we were shooting or filming MS at that point of time, एक तरीके से there was something going on about Ayyari in my head.
नीरज सर, आपसे सवाल है कि नसरुद्दीन शाह आपके लिए लकी चार्म रहे हैं या फिर क्या रीज़न रहा और वो कैसे माने हैं?
I think it's belittling if you say that he's a charm or a lucky charm and all that. He has been in this industry for such a long time, and his body work speaks for itself. There's tremendous amount of respect from our side. He was a part of our first film, and it was. I was just recollecting the other day that the last day of shoot on a Wednesday with Nasir Bhai was on an under construction site. And the first day of shoot of Ayyari happened to be at an under construction site. Wow. So it was literally like picking up from where we had left our relationship, our working relationship, etc. It's a privilege actually. Yeah.
Hello, Neeraj sir.
इस तरह के सब्जेक्ट्स आप इस तरह से जो सब्जेक्ट्स आप लेके आ रहे हैं तो इसकी कोई खास वजह है? बेबी लेके
आपको पसंद है?
हाँ, पसंद।
बस इसीलिए करते हैं, इसीलिए लेते आते हैं, आप लोग का इनकरेजमेंट मिलता है।
26 का जैन का दिन आपने चुना है तो
नहीं वो हाँ जी
पैडमैन भी आ रही है तो उसके बारे में भी बताएं। जो
पैडमैन के बारे में मैं कैसे बताऊं?
क्लैश
मैं अय्यारी के बारे में बता सकता हूँ।
क्लैश जो हो रहा है
जब ये फिल्म लॉन्च हुई थी तो we wanted to come on 26 Jan 2018 or 2018 26 Jan we are coming. So that's the journey of the film and we are looking forward to it. Thank you.
Hello, Neeraj sir, over here. Neeraj sir, to your right.
Yeah.
Over here. Neeraj sir, hi. It's a wonderful trailer. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And like you said, the germ of the idea came while making Baby. So the theme, army, the research, the special ops, it is a bit similar to Baby, Naam Shabana. If going by the trailer, we've not seen the film. Did you ever have an inclination to make this part of the Baby franchise?
Not at all. It's chalk and cheese actually. In the same genre, if you want to classify it, you've not seen the film obviously, so I give you the benefit of doubt on that one. But they are completely different films. Baby was an espionage action thriller. This one would be more like a drama thriller in my opinion.
Also, sir, considering that your film is coming on 26 Jan, and considering that you have such a good working relation with Akshay Kumar, did you ever talk about your films clashing? And was there, and sir, considering he's such a big star, was there ever any doubt of bringing the film along with Padman?
So I'll just answer this that about 4 days back, me, Sid, Akshay, and Balki were having lunch together.
Okay, that's it. And
Rakul, it was a good lunch. We all came out smiling.
Yeah, absolutely. I imagine it was. And Rakulji, yes. My last question is to you. Yes. You've predominantly been working in the South, and you've been right now one of the top actresses in Telugu, Tamil also. Right. Recently, Thiran, Nanaku Premato, Sara Naidu, all huge hits. Yes. Okay. So after Yariya, now you're coming back to the Hindi film industry. Any kind of effort to try and do more films in Bollywood, or would you be again shifting your focus back to South?
See, for me, it wasn't intentional that I happened to go to South or I don't put too much thought. The idea that I'm here is to do great films, and I don't think it's a medium of art, and I don't think language is a barrier. So I would continue wanting to do great films, whether it's Telugu, Tamil or Hindi. So if great scripts come from here, I would love to work here. And if it's there. So I'd love to multitask.
Neeraj, hi. I'm Nikita here. What I want to ask from the trailer that we have seen, it seems like there's a lot of undertone about Bofors and Choppergate. Is that something that was an inspiration that you took for the film, or is there an undertone of it in the film about the controversy that is there?
No. I think it's not about what you're perceiving. It's essentially about two characters, two very strong individuals. One played by him, which is a colonel in the army, and one is a major. So they belong to two totally different generations. And it's essentially their point of view, the difference in their point of view is what the film is all about.
But like Siddharth's character said that we don't want it to go to the people who are selling off our nations. And it's again like he's talking about the arms and ammunition. So that is why
I'm glad you're putting 2 + 2 together, and I hope it doesn't turn out the way you're thinking right now.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, Siddharth. Hi, you're just right in front of you.
Right in front of me, very.
Yeah.
Oh, acha. Hi.
Okay. Hi, Nashmina here from Bollywood Times. So Siddharth, this is something जो आपने कभी ऐसा रोल पहले किया नहीं है, तो क्या प्रेशर था, एंड लुकिंग एट द स्टार कास्ट, इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट स्टार कास्ट, तो कोई प्रेशर था आप पे कि टू परफॉर्म विद देम, स्पेशली मनोज बाजपेयी सर है, नसरुद्दीन सर है, एंड अनुपम खेर जी है, तो उस बारे में कुछ बताइए, एंड हाउ डिड यू प्रिपेयर फॉर द रोल, इफ यू कुड टेल समथिंग.
I think completely the opposite. More than pressure, it was very exciting to know that I'll be sharing screen with so many actors who I have seen watching. The director also, Neeraj sir, की पिक्चरों का मैं बहुत बड़ा fan रहा हूँ. तो I think excitement होती है कि आप उसी frame में lines कर रहे हैं. Like I was, certain scenes that me and Manoj sir have are dramatic. They have lines and आगे पीछे the whole film is based on that one particular relationship that happens between two generations. So I think that's more exciting than nervous. I feel obviously every actor has to prepare. And preparation के हिसाब से, Neeraj sir is somebody who does all his homework. It makes it very easy for your actors. To the T, हमें पता है कि हम एक scene में क्या कर रहे हैं और even he knows exactly what he wants. Things go much clearer, much faster. There is no element of doubt on set. So I think in this, the biggest, I would say, blessing was to have Neeraj sir just instructing us exactly as what he wants in every scene, which makes it much easier to prepare. But that being said, we did do workshops. Me and Manoj sir used to meet up with Neeraj sir, and we used to have fun, chat, talk about movies, do scenes sometimes once in a while, and look tests and talk about fitness और इनके खाने पीने की बातें. वहाँ पे फिर again हमेशा मनोज सर डाइट पे होते थे. तो सर कैसा रहा आपका ये जर्नी? अब जो 6 पैक्स की उसमें है, अभी इनके 1.5 आ चुके हैं, बाकी 4 आने वाले हैं अगली पिक्चर तक.
थैंक यू.
हाय सिद्धार्थ, आपके राइट.
जी.
सिद्धार्थ,
It was, I think the film that's closest to Wednesday in our whole 10-year-old journey is going to be Ayari. It speaks about the relevance of certain virtues that need to be present in our daily life. And I personally feel that in that genre, I think this is the closest to a Wednesday. Yeah. So if you're getting that, I don't blame you.
सिद्धार्थ, आपके
No, not intentional. Why does it have to be intentional? I'm glad you're getting it. But yeah, I mean, that's good, fine.
सिद्धार्थ, हाय, आपके राइट में. Here. सिद्धार्थ, रिसेंटली सोशल मीडिया पे आप बहुत ही छाए हुए थे, क्योंकि आप ने सोशल मीडिया छोड़ दिया था. काइंड ऑफ आपका डीपी भी बिल्कुल ब्लैक हो गया था, जिससे आपके फैंस काफ़ी परेशान हुए थे.
डीपी ब्लैक
पिक्चर
बीपी नहीं, बीपी ठीक था.
डीपी आपका ब्लैंक हो गया था, जिससे आपके फैंस काफ़ी परेशान हुए थे सोशल मीडिया पे. क्या रीज़न था? क्या ये प्रमोशनल स्ट्रेटेजी थी?
अगर आपने अभी देख लिया होगा तो आप समझ ही गए होंगे. वी वर रिलेटिंग इट टू द ट्रेलर. अगर आप पिक्चर में, आई थिंक ये भी जो सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, जो आप भी पूछ रहे हैं, अभी ट्रेलर में पूरी कहानी आपको ऑब्वियसली हम नहीं बता सकते, आपको समझ नहीं आएगी. But it is definitely related. This younger character that I'm playing, which is a soldier who obviously goes rogue, and that's what we were trying to do.
The way you looked at him as an actor.
See, for me, all actors are same. I don't judge them. I don't have preconceived notion about any actor that I'm working with. I'm always curious to know them personally. It's because film shooting is a great platform to know each other, to make friends with them, to know their opinion about everything that they are doing, everything that I am doing, everything that is happening in this industry, everything which is happening in other industry, other fraternity. So it's this was not the first time that I was working with somebody from a different world of cinema. But yes, I think Siddharth is the first one from this generation that I was working with, and it was a great time that we've had, not only in Kashmir or in Delhi or but also in London. London it was it was the best. Yeah. No. what is great about Siddharth that he's always willing to observe, willing to learn. He's not afraid of asking you questions, which is so rare, because most of the times all of us somewhere get stuck in whatever we've achieved, and we start having this fear that if I ask question, if I show any kind of curiosity, people may underestimate us. But Sid is not like that. Sid is somebody who's always come to you, who will always ask you question, who's always willing to have some answers for all the questions that he has, which is a fantastic thing about him.
हाय नीरज, ज्योति फ्रॉम जूम। मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि जब इस तरह के कॉन्सेप्ट पर फिल्म बनती है तो कहीं ना कभी ना कभी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती है किसी सीन्स को लेकर, कुछ डायलॉग्स को लेकर, तो क्या आपने प्लानिंग की है कि ऑफिसर्स को दिखाया जाए, या उनकी अगर वो कुछ मांगते हैं कि यहाँ चेंजेस हो जाए, या कुछ चीज़ें को आपने सोचा है इस बारे में?
मुझसे पूछ रही हैं?
कोई भी जवाब दे दे।
मतलब
right now the film is far from getting finished. We are right now in the post production, so as and when the right time comes, we'll follow the right process. Thank you.
जी, दूसरा सवाल ये है,
कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी। ड्रामा है, सिंपल ड्रामा है, बट बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा ड्रामा है, और एक नए सेटअप में होता है, आर्मी में होता है। और जैसा कि नीरज जी ने बताया कि सीनियर और जूनियर के उनकी राय को लेकर के है, बदलते हुए समाज को लेकर के है, बदलते हुए परिवेश को लेकर के है, तो इसलिए मुझे नहीं लगता है कि इसमें कोई ऑब्जेक्शनल चीज़ है।
जी, दूसरा सवाल ये है कि जब भी दो फिल्में आती हैं, कहीं ना कहीं बार में ये खबरें आती हैं कि उनकी इनसे प्रॉब्लम है, चल रही है, कोई एक दूसरे का प्रमोशन नहीं करता, लेकिन आप लोग सब, आप ही ने कहा कि आप सब दोस्त हैं, अक्षय और आप लोग, तो क्या एक दूसरे का फिल्म प्रमोट करते भी नजर आएंगे आप लोग सोशल मीडिया और सारी जगह?
तो सोशल मीडिया पे हुई नहीं तो बाकी इनके हाथ में
यार, अभी तो हमारी प्रमोशन शुरू हुई है, पहले वो हो जाए, पहले आप ट्रेलर देख लें, हमें पता चले लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, क्या है, तो फिर हम देखेंगे। ऑब्वियसली एज आई सेड, सर ने जैसे बोला कि हम कुछ ही दिन पहले हम लोग सब लंच कर रहे थे, और ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, 2 पिक्चरें आ रही हैं उस दिन पे। आई थिंक नेशनल हॉलिडे है, इवन बिजनेस वाइज काफ़ी जगह है, लोगों के पास छुट्टियाँ हैं पूरे हिंदुस्तान में देखने के लिए, और ऐसा नहीं कि पहली बार हो रहा है, तो हो चुका है ऐसे पहले, और इस बार दोस्तों के साथ हो रहा है, तो देखते हैं। आई थिंक पीपल विल बी स्पॉइल्ड फॉर चॉइस 2 पिक्चरों के बीच में जो वर्ल्ड वाइज काफ़ी अलग है, and it's great for the audience.
Manoj sir, towards your right, Justin from PTI here. Manoj sir, for the large part of your career, your image as an actor was associated with you being predominantly working in indie space, alternate cinema and dark films. The mainstream kind of stayed away for you since a long time. I mean, Avir Zara here and there. Do you feel when you look back, I mean, now Ayari and Special Chabbis is as big?
Yeah, even Rajniti.
Yeah, right. Did you ever feel that perhaps the guys in the mainstream film business didn't really have a created space for the actor like you, and you sort of felt neglected, that why am I not in that space, in the big league?
The last thing I ever feel is neglected, That's the last thing.
Yeah, I was half expecting that.
Because I sincerely feel that actors should not be having any kind of choice in terms of genre. They should be looking for all the great roles which are being written, be it in mainstream, commercial, or indie space. And that's what I have been doing. I mean, it's not that I have not been, I was not getting offers from the mainstream cinema. It's just that, I was not so excited with those offers. And I was getting excited with all the offers which was coming from a different world, that is called indie space, as you just mentioned. And Ayari is, what is so great about Mr. Neeraj Pandey is that, in a mainstream space, he puts in so much of realism into his content and in the behavioral pattern of the characters, which make it so interesting. For me, when I see his films, I personally can't differentiate whether I'm working in an indie space or I'm working in a mainstream cinema. It's the behavior pattern of the characters, which is so lifelike, which is so real, and he wants you to just stick to the requirements of the character, which is quite prevalent in the indie space. So I feel at home working with him. I feel challenged. with his kind of scripts, with the characters that he offers.
Thank you. Thank you.
Neeraj, straight. Hi. Abhishek here.
Hi.
If we talk about this year, films like Tube Light, films like Rise didn't work at box office. They were star-studded films, but people didn't like it. But अगर आपके film की बात करें, नाम शबाना हो या फिर Toilet, people liked it. So what is that thing which you think worked and people liked it?
No, it's not that we know what will work and then we go out. These films work. That doesn't mean that we know everything. We focus on our strengths, which is content. We take a punt on an idea and then hope it works for the larger audience. And that's what we do. We don't look too far ahead. We don't sort of try and think too much. We just focus on the content and stay honest to it, yeah.
And Pooja, hi. Hi. We are seeing you after a very long thing. Commando के बाद हम आपको देख रहे हैं तो what was it?
Ouch, I think. How can you forget Ouch? It's one of my most
So what was it? क्या था कि आप offers आपको I'm sure आ रहे होंगे, but what was it जो आप नहीं films कर रही थी and सीधा अब हम आपको IRA में देख रहे हैं?
I really wish I could work like Manoj sir and do 4 films a year. I mean, as an actor, I would really want and wish that. But the problem is, even as an actor, I want to be excited about my work and role. And अब नीरज sir के साथ I worked in Ouch. And but then the thing is, then your expectations are so high that you only want to work in that institute or maybe the likes of it. And then anything lesser is offered to you, obviously you don't like it. So yeah, I mean, it has to be him or his likes. So sir, whenever अब sir next movie करेंगे, मैंने already अर्जी तो डाल दी है.
Neeraj sir, on your right again. Hi, Nikita here. You just mentioned a while back that you are still in the post-production. So I'm guessing you've not yet submitted your film to the CBFC. Are you worried about the 68-day deadline?
Well, I think that my production would be in a better position to answer that question. What process has been already started? They are aware of it. I'm not right now as we speak. And they will be in a better position to answer that one.
Not worried
Thank you.
about the 68-day deadline? That
I'm worried about everything as far as rules and regulations are concerned. It's not, but I think they are more worried than me, and the production team would have already initiated the relevant documents or whatever.
Okay. Hello.
All right. Before we wrap up, yeah, if we have a question, we'll come to the.
You've had a very successful 2017. Mayari, what are your plans for 2018?
The plans are in the pipeline right now, so it's too early to talk about it. But yes, you'll be seeing much more of us in 2018 and 19.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. गड़ा साहब से एक सवाल मैं यहाँ जानना चाहूँगा और उसका जवाब चाहूँगा आप हमें दें. यहाँ जो कोलैबोरेशन है प्लान सी स्टूडियोज़ और रिलायंस एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ पेन स्टूडियोज़ का, उसके ऊपर प्लीज़ थोड़ी सी रोशनी डालें.
वैसे तो नीरज जी की पिक्चर है और शीतल जी की पिक्चर है, हमने बहुत खरीदी है, पहली बार पार्टनर बन रहे हैं जी, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि ये पार्टनरशिप बहुत लंबी चलेगी.
राइट, थैंक यू सो मच. ऑल्सो मिस्टर समीर चोपड़ा फ्रॉम रिलायंस एंटरटेनमेंट, प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट योर कोलैबोरेशन on this thing.
Yeah, so Nitin, this is our 5th collaboration with Neeraj and Sheetal. IRE is incredibly special to us and we can't really wait to get started. We have actually now.
Yeah.
26th Jan it is, so here we are.
Yes, and I'm sure all of us are going to love it. जा रहे हैं हम सब देखने के लिए. Looking forward to this one. We have some brilliant people यहाँ पे हमारे साथ जिनको मैं स्टेज पे इनवाइट करना चाहूँगा. And we'll start with इस फिल्म में जिन्होंने बड़ा कमाल का बैकग्राउंड स्कोर दिया है, संजय चौधरी. और अब one of my favorite singer composers, the one and only Ankit Tiwari, and of course the one and only a very dear friend and a very talented music composer, singer Rocha Kohli, ladies and gentlemen, please. इस entire team के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. IRE releasing on 26 January 2018 Republic Day पे. So we'll have a quick photo op, yeah.